As you can see, this model is making 32K a month in revenue, and when she came to us, she was only making 2.5. And we achieved these numbers by implementing unique strategies, which I'm going to share with you in this video. Whether you're a model looking to grow their earnings or an agency owner looking to grow their business, these strategies can help you 5x your revenue. And the best part is you can implement them immediately. And these are the exact same strategies which we implement for our models at our agency, which generated well over 200K last month. In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 main strategies that we use daily so you can apply them as soon as possible and start seeing results right away. Now, the first thing I want to talk about comes down to the chatting side of the business. What a lot of people make a mistake in doing when they're actually chatting to the fans is literally just acting like a complete salesman on the chats. Now, no one is going to want to buy from someone who seems like a salesman. Now, you probably noticed this when someone's called you, right? The second you realize that they're a salesman, you never want to talk to them again. Now, it's exactly the same thing as what is going on in chats. If the customer can tell that all you want to do is sell him as much content as possible and pretty much drain the guy's wallet, is he going to want to spend with your model? Absolutely not. So one of the most important things you need to be doing in DMs is building a real relationship with every single subscriber that actually comes on the account. Now, at the end of the day, this is fantasies for people. So as soon as you destroy the fantasy of potentially being with that subscriber in the future, everything's done. You cannot go anywhere from this point, right? So your main job as a creator or an agency owner who are working on creators' accounts is to maintain the relationship and, most importantly, maintain that fantasy that you are building with every single subscriber on the account. Now, we've had fans that have subscribed to our models for over 2 years, right? Some of them are spending well over $30,000 buying every single piece of the model's content. And the reason we've been able to do that is because we've been building a proper relationship with this guy. It's more than just selling content, right? The guy actually enjoys talking to the model, and that's exactly what we try to achieve. We need the guys to want to talk to the model. Otherwise, why are they going to spend the money? Yeah, sure, they might buy a $5 PPV here, a $10 PPV here, maybe even a $50. But what about the guys who are going to spend $500 every single month with you or one of your models that you have to your agency? How are we going to get those? And it's going to be by building the relationships as much as possible and not destroying the fantasy. So tip number 2 I want to go through is how to be as consistent as possible with X or with Reddit. Now, this is going to be a sort of agency dependent style of content. Pretty much what you're going to get your creator to do is create a bunch of videos which are a few minutes long, and you're going to cut them down into little GIFs or little videos, or even take screenshots from the video. That means the creator can literally just work once a week on her Reddit stuff, maybe put 3 to 4 hours in, and from that work that she's put in, you're going to have content for the next few weeks. And it's really that easy. You're going to hire someone for very cheap. You can even get your Reddit guy to do it, and you're going to get them to edit every single piece of content down. So the model hasn't really put in that much work, but you're getting a shitload of content out of those videos. For example, a 1-minute video can easily be broken down into 30 GIFs, right? 30 GIFs from literally 1 minute. And it's not only the workload, which is easier for the model, but it's also going to allow you to be way more consistent on the model's pages, which is obviously going to help with your results. And lastly, I want to talk about a content strategy that we've been using on IG and TikTok, and it's also going to be about an agency dependent content strategy. So what it basically is we will get the creator to film a whole bunch of raw clips. Now, what are raw clips? They're pretty much uncut, unedited, unfiltered, whatever it might be, clips of whatever she's doing throughout her day. And then our editing team will go on, clip them up perfectly, put captions on top, and this means that we're able to be as consistent as possible as we need to be on TikTok, on Instagram, to get the most amount of views possible. So ever since we actually brought this strategy into our agency, our consistency has been crazy, and all of our IGs for all of our models have gone through the roof. So that is why this strategy is so good. So like, instead of asking your model, right, create these 21 reels for the week for one account, instead you're just getting her to film probably 10 to 20 minutes of video, and that can be used for 21 videos a week on 3 separate accounts, and we can ensure that we are going to be consistent. Even if the model gets ill, we still have content there which we can push out on these accounts, and it just saves a whole load of hassle in the process. And by implementing these strategies today, you're going to see an increase in your earnings pretty much straight away. And if you're a model watching this and you're tired of handling all aspects of content creation by yourself, chatting, posting, account management all on your own, we can help you free up your time so you can pursue your passions or do whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it, which is probably the whole reason that you do this for in the first place. DM me the word scale on IG is the first link in the description, and we will see if we can help. And if you are an agency owner or you want to start an OFM agency but don't really know where to start, click the second link in the description and let me see you inside. Take care.